Good morning, students. Mm, this is book of class 5, chapter 6. I have noodles in my nostril. It is a poem. In this poem, it is a poem about noodles that fall onto parts of the body. The person is a bit silly, a nincompoop. He falls asleep while eating his lunch noodle soup. This poem is very funny, and the poet is Ken Nesbitt. He is an English poet from Britain. Now let's start the poem. This poem is divided into 5 stanzas. We will discuss one by one. Now let's start. I have noodles in my nostrils. I have noodles on my nose. There are noodles on my cheeks and chin and dripping down my clothes. It is saying in this poem, the noodles are there in his nostril. You know the nostril? Whole area of our nose. And then he has noodles all over nose. The noodles are on the cheeks and chins even. Cheeks and chins even. And what are the conditions? See, what are the conditions? Noodles are dripping down, means falling down drop by drop on his clothes from the cheek chins onto his clothes. Dripping down means falling down drop by drop. Now, next stanza. I have got more upon my forehead, some are sticking on my neck. It's completely disconcerting. I am a noodle covered rat. As you see, that picture, even you see lot of noodles. The boy is covered with lot of noodles. Noodles are there on his forehead, even all over the body. Nothing is left, means no body parts are left. Noodles are on his head, leg, neck. It's completely disturbing. Disconcerting means students disturbing. नूडल से वो पूरा कवर्ड था तो वो डिस्टर्ब हो रहा था. He is getting disturbed by noodles. Although noodles was his favorite food, but all noodles got split over him. Definitely he feeling disturbed, and then he say that he is a noodle covered rack. Means he is looking quite stupid in this outlook. Now come to the stanza number 3. I can see them on my kneecaps and I know they are in my shoes. It means he says that some are even dropped in my front side of knees that circle in shape. So that is called kneecaps. In front side of knees and circle in shape. And then he says some are in my shoes also. So these things are disturbing him. When I stand, they are somewhat squeezy and I feel them start to ooze. Ooze means student come out. Now what happened? He says whenever he tries to stand up, he feels that those are very soft and now getting softer. So what would happen? Definitely noodles mashed bothered him, and then he would stand up again. Some of noodles on his upper part of the body split down towards the lower part of the body. Now come to the stanza number 4. There are several means many in my pockets. There are handful in my hands. Handful means some. I am pretty sure that some are even in my underwear. Now what happened? See in the fourth stanza, he says that some of the noodles are there in his pocket. Even some noodles he has in here. In here. It is the worst condition for him because some noodles are in his underwear. He is starting irritating in such a condition. Now, last stanza, students, come towards the last stanza. So try not to do what I did. I'm total nincompoop. What is the meaning of nincompoop? A silly, foolish, or stupid person. And I fell asleep at lunch while eating chicken soup, chicken noodle soup. Now, what happened from the last stanza? With all the irritation, what message he passing all to be the readers? He says that whatever is done by him, he instruct all the readers. Readers means student, we are, that they should not they should not means we should not do the same. So he say to himself that what he is a foolish person, and then he say nobody should do the same kind of foolishness which he had done. And what he has done? Listen, fell asleep at lunch while eating chicken noodle soup. He has done that, fell asleep while eating a lunch and trapped into such a critical situation. He passes a message to us that we should not do the same kind of foolishness. I hope you understood it well, children. Now we have some word meanings. First, you note it because it is important. Dripping. Dripping means falling down drop by drop. Nostrils. Whole area of our nose. Several, many, handful, some. And number 5 is disconcerting, means disturbing. Number 6 is rake, a person who is in a bad physical and mental state. Number 7, kneecaps, front of the knees. Soup. Soup means, student, one kind of beverage, liquid. Ooze means come out. Squishy, soft and wet. Maggie, Maggie, children, you know, I think your favorite food is Maggie. That is soft and wet. Nincompoop means a silly, foolish, or stupid person. Now, moving towards the question answer or filling the blanks, whatever is. See here. Um, in first stanza, the narrator says he has noodle in all the wrong places. The places are, आप लोग स्टैंजा नंबर 1 देखिए, प्लेसेस क्या दिया हुआ है? नॉस्ट्रिल, नोज, चिन, चिक्स. These are the places given in stanza number 1. Now come to the number 2. I am a noodle covered wreck means that he is looking stupid in his outlook. Means that he is looking stupid in his outlook. Now come to the 3. The narrator can feel the noodles oozing out from upper part of the body, split down lower part of the body. नूडल्स जो था वो ऊपर से धीरे धीरे नीचे आ रहा था, dripping down. Now number 4, he calls himself a nincompoop because he has been careless. He has been careless. Now number 5, the narrator says he has a handful of noodles in his hair. Some noodles are in, some noodles are on his hair also. Now come to the 2. Here are a few statements based on the situation that is the narrator face in the poem. Say whether they are true or false. Means it is true or false. So let's start. The narrator has noodles only on his chin and cheeks. No, all over the body. It means it is false. The narrator is enjoying the feeling of having noodles all over his body. No, he is concerting. It means it is also false. The only place that noodles have not entered in are his shoes. It is also false because noodles are already entered in his shoes. Now, number four, he even has some noodles on his underwear. Yes, it's true. He calls himself a nincompoop because he has been careless. Yes, it's also true. He covered himself with noodles while he was serving the dish. No, it's false. Because while he's taking lunch, then he is covered with the noodles. कंप्लीट स्टूडेंट ये साउंड एंड प्रोनाउंसिएशन है आप लोग घर में प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा पढ़िएगा नाउ आवर चैप्टर इज फिनिश्ड थैंक यू